7 powerful foods that naturally clean the arteries and keep your blood flowing. Just 7 everyday foods that you probably already know can help you dramatically lower your risk of clogged arteries and prevent heart attacks. I've seen many older adults feel more relaxed, sleep better, and enjoy a clearer mind simply by making small changes to include these foods in their daily meals. In this video, I'll walk you through 7 silent warriors in the food world because what you eat every day might be the strongest defense you have against stroke and heart attack. And pay close attention to food number 1, a simple oil that may work better than aspirin when it comes to protecting your heart and brain. Before we dive into the 7 foods that can help clean out your arteries and prevent heart attacks and strokes, there's something important you need to know. Blocked arteries don't happen overnight. They build up slowly over the years, quietly, without warning. High blood pressure, stress, and a poor diet can inflame the walls of your arteries. That inflammation makes it easier for bad cholesterol to stick and for platelets to start clumping, forming plaque. That's when a blood clot forms. That's the cause of nearly 80% of all heart attacks and strokes. That is why some people who seem perfectly healthy are suddenly hit with a heart attack or stroke, because their arteries were already blocked, and they didn't even know it. Not every food that's labeled heart healthy actually helps clean out your arteries. For a food to make it into today's list, it had to meet at least 3 out of 5 key criteria. First, it has to help reduce inflammation, because chronic inflammation is the silent trigger behind plaque buildup and blood clots. Second, it needs to help stabilize existing plaque, so it doesn't rupture and cause a sudden event. Third, it should reduce platelet stickiness, so your blood flows more freely and clots are less likely to form. Fourth, it should support the health of your endothelial lining, which is the inner layer of your arteries that controls flexibility and blood pressure. And finally, it must contain compounds that are backed by solid research for their benefits to your heart, brain, and circulation. These criteria matter even more as we age. After 50, our arteries don't repair themselves the way they used to, so the food choices we make now can either support our long-term health or silently work against us. So now let's dive into the 7 most powerful natural foods that can support your heart and arteries, starting with number 7. Garlic, the platelet manager. Garlic isn't just a kitchen staple. It's one of the most powerful natural foods for protecting your heart and circulation. Its key compound, called allicin, has been shown to reduce inflammation, relax blood vessels, and lower blood pressure naturally. One of garlic's most important roles is reducing how sticky your platelets are. In simple terms, it helps your blood flow more smoothly and makes it less likely for dangerous clots to form. Garlic also helps regulate cholesterol, lowering LDL and raising HDL. Several studies, including one published in the Journal of Nutrition, have shown that garlic may slow the progression of arterial plaque buildup by as much as 50%. To get the full benefit, the best way to use garlic is to crush it fresh and let it sit for about 10 minutes before eating. That activates the allicin. 1 clove a day might seem like a small thing, but it can play a big role in protecting your arteries and lowering your long-term risk of heart attack and stroke. 6. Turmeric, the inflammation calmer. Number 6 on our list is turmeric. For thousands of years, turmeric has been used to support healing and improve circulation. The secret lies in its main active compound, curcumin. Curcumin is a remarkably strong anti-inflammatory. It helps calm that inflammation, keeping your arteries more stable and reducing the chance of dangerous blockages. It also helps improve the function of the endothelium, the thin inner lining of your blood vessels that helps regulate blood pressure and keep things flowing smoothly. Now there is one thing to keep in mind: curcumin doesn't absorb well on its own, but when taken with black pepper, absorption can increase by up to 2,000%. That's thanks to a compound in pepper called piperine, which helps your body make better use of curcumin. Turmeric is an excellent option for seniors looking for a natural, safe, and effective way to support cardiovascular health. 5. Pomegranate, the plaque reducer. At number 5 is a fruit that's packed with antioxidants, but often overlooked: pomegranate. What makes pomegranate special is its exceptionally high antioxidant content, especially a compound called punicalagin. Punicalagin helps fight free radicals, reduce inflammation, and slow down the oxidation of cholesterol. One study published in the journal Atherosclerosis followed patients with plaque in their carotid arteries. After just 1 year of drinking pure pomegranate juice daily, researchers found a noticeable reduction in plaque thickness, along with improvements in blood pressure. Pomegranate isn't just a tasty fruit, it's a natural tool for keeping your arteries clean, your blood pressure in check, and your risk of heart disease and stroke symptoms low. 4. Fatty fish, the plaque stabilizer. Number 4 on our list is a group of fish known as fatty fish that includes salmon, mackerel, sardines, and herring, all rich in omega-3 fatty acids, especially EPA and DHA. These two types of omega-3s are known for their powerful anti-inflammatory effects and their ability to stabilize plaque in the arteries. EPA has been shown to reduce how sticky your platelets are, which means your blood flows more freely and is less likely to form dangerous clots. That alone can significantly lower your risk of a sudden artery blockage. It also helps calm inflammation, lowers triglycerides, and improves the flexibility of your arteries. One major study found that high-dose EPA supplements lowered the risk of serious cardiovascular events by as much as 25% in people with a history of heart disease. The best approach is to eat fatty fish at least 2 to 3 times a week. 3. Avocado, the potassium powerhouse. Number 3 on our list is a naturally rich, creamy fruit you probably already enjoy, avocado. The monounsaturated fats in avocado actually help balance your cholesterol levels, reducing LDL and raising HDL. Keeping those two in balance is crucial if you want to slow down plaque buildup. Avocados are also packed with potassium, a mineral that naturally helps lower blood pressure by balancing sodium in the body. High blood pressure is one of the leading risk factors for both stroke and heart attack, especially as we age. So getting more potassium from foods like avocado can help ease the pressure on your arteries and protect your heart. Just half an avocado a day is enough to support heart health without adding too many calories. 2. Dark leafy greens, the nitric oxide booster. Coming in at number 2 is a group of vegetables you've probably heard your doctor mention more than once. Dark leafy greens like kale, spinach, arugula, and chicory. These greens are loaded with natural nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide, a compound that helps relax your blood vessels, lower blood pressure, and improve blood flow. Nitric oxide also protects the endothelial lining, the inner layer of your arteries that controls flexibility and blood pressure. One study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that eating just 1 cup of dark leafy greens a day can reduce your risk of cardiovascular disease by up to 16% and lower your risk of dying from stroke. For older adults, making leafy greens a daily habit can help keep blood pressure in check and dramatically lower the risk of major cardiovascular events. 1. Cod Liver Oil, the all-in-one artery solution. At the very top of our list is a powerful all-in-one food for your arteries, Cod Liver Oil. Not only does it deliver a concentrated dose of omega-3 fatty acids, especially EPA, which helps reduce inflammation, stabilize plaque, and prevent platelets from sticking, but it also contains 2 rare and essential nutrients, vitamin A and vitamin D, both in highly bioavailable forms. EPA from cod liver oil has been shown to have similar blood-thinning effects as low-dose aspirin, helping prevent blood clots, which are behind most heart attacks and strokes, but unlike aspirin, EPA doesn't come with the risks of stomach ulcers or brain bleeds. Vitamin D offers another layer of protection. It boosts your body's production of nitric oxide, which helps relax your arteries, lower blood pressure, and improve circulation. A study out of Ohio University found that among more than 1,000 compounds tested, vitamin D was the most effective at preventing damage to the endothelium. 1 small spoonful a day is enough to support both your heart and your brain. Cod liver oil isn't just a supplement, it's a comprehensive solution to help protect your arteries, prevent heart attack and stroke, and support healthy aging. Your daily defense. We've now explored 7 science-backed foods that work together to help clean out your arteries, reduce inflammation, prevent blood clots, and dramatically lower your risk of heart attack and stroke. Garlic, turmeric, pomegranate, fatty fish, avocado, leafy greens, and cod liver oil. Each one offers a unique way to protect your heart and brain. And when combined as part of a healthy lifestyle, these foods can do more than just prevent disease. They support long-term wellness, help you age with confidence, and reduce your chances of a sudden stroke or heart attack, especially if you're over 50. So if you're looking for a natural way to care for your heart, start small. Add just 3 of these 7 foods to your daily meals and you'll already be taking a big step toward preventing serious health issues down the road. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone you care about, especially if they're at risk for stroke, heart disease, or just want to live a longer, healthier life. Thanks so much for watching to the very end. I'll see you in the next video where we'll keep exploring simple, natural, and powerful ways to take care of your health from the inside out.